Good evening, student. Today I am going to discuss about the new chapter, your trigonometric identities. So, what is actually trigonometric identity? The equations involving trigonometric ratio of an angles is called as your trigonometric identities. If it is true for all value of an angles, theta that is, or you take x, y, here. So, now discuss about the identities. So take a right angle triangle. You take it is your theta, suppose that, or A or B or C. You take angle A, it is okay. Here now AC squared. Right angle B, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Dividing both sides by AC square, it is your AB square by AC square, it is your BC square by AC square. This value is 1. Okay. So AB square by AC square, AB by AC. If it is your base angle A, the front is your perpendicular, it is your base, it is your hypotenuse. One time. So AB by AC square, it means base by hypotenuse. It is your cos will come, cos square A. Similarly, the front of A is your perpendicular, BC square by AC square. It give you sine angle, so it is sine square A. So sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This equation is true for, it is true for all value of angle A. The condition is 0 less than A less than equal to 90 degree. It means 0 less than equal to A is less than equal to 90 degree. It is true for this condition only. Okay. Number 2. Again you use these equations. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Now divide this equation by AB. I mean it is AB square. It is AB square, it is your AB square, cancelling AB square, AB square. Now see here, AC square by AB square, it is hypotenuse, it is your base. I mean H by B, H square by B square, it give you your sec square theta. Sec square theta means sec square angle A it is. It is your 1. It is your AB square. BC square by AB square. BC square by AB square. As it is A is the base angle, it is your perpendicular. Perpendicular by base give you tan square A. Because our base angle is A, not theta. Okay. Achha. If we take 0 degree here, suppose that, you know that for 0 degree, cos 0 is 1, it is sine by cos, sine 0 is 0, and cos 0 is 1. So it is true for your 0 degree. Now take another angle 90 degree. For 90 degree, you know that cos 90 is equal to 0, so sec 90 is equal to infinite. Similarly here, sin 90 is equal to 1 and cos 90 is equal to 0. So it is not true for your theta is equal to 90 degree. So to write down, this is valid for condition your zero less than equal to a and a is less than 90 degree. It is valid for this angle only, this equation. Now use again the same equation, ac square equal to ad square plus bc square, dividing both sides by bc square. So the equation became ab square by bc square, bc square by bc square. Cancelling this, AC by BC. It is perpendicular, it is hypotenuse, so it is your cosec square A, AB by BC, AB by BC. It is a base, so B by P. It is your cos square A plus 1. So this equation is true for this condition. Your 0 less than a less than equal to 90 degree. So this is your conditions for this equation only. Okay. So by taking the help of these three equations, you can prove the different identity. Again, recall this equation. It is your sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 for this angle. Number 2, your cosec square A minus cos square A equal to 1. Number 3, sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Okay. So this is one of the three important equations. Now take some example to prove the identity. First, find cos A tan A in term of sin A. Can you take the help of these hypotenuse angle? C it is B it is A. So you know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A, or cos A is equal to 1 minus sin square A square root. So this is cos in terms of sin. Second, tan A. You know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So sin A, now you convert cos in terms of sin, 1 minus sin square A square root. This is your tan A. In this way, you try to practice more problem at home. Take another example to prove the identity. Suppose 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. You have to prove it. Now, your cosec theta minus cos theta. your LHS, it is your RHS. So, if any square root is given, you have to rationalize the equation, the numerator and denominator. So take LHS side. Look here. Try to understand this is question. 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta. Okay. You have to rationalize to prove this one. It is plus sign. It is your minus sign you take. Here also the same value. A minus B is your A minus B whole square. It is A square minus B square. Cos square theta. 1 minus cos square. You know that tan square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So 1 minus cos square theta, that is your tan square theta. You replace this value here. So 1 minus cos theta whole square by tan square theta. So it is the root and here also square. So cos theta by sin theta. Now divide 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. It is your 1 by sin, you know that is your cos sec theta. Cos by sin, that is you know that cot theta. So it is your RHS. So LHS equal to RHS. It is your coding part. Write down here. 1 by sin theta is equal to cosec theta. Cos theta by sin theta equal to your cot theta. This one. So in this way, try to prove. Check another example. Question number 3. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. And sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. It is one of the important problems. Again we take LHS side. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Look here, the right side it is sec and tan. So you will try to convert these equations in terms of sec and tan. And how will you convert? Dividing this equation by cos theta. So look here, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by your cos theta whole divided by denominator part also you divide the cos theta by cos theta. After dividing this one, look here, it is sin by cos, cos by cos, 1 by cos. Write down in this way, sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta 1 by cos theta. Now come to denominator part, sin by cos, cos by cos, or 1 by cos. Sin theta by cos theta by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta. Sin by cos, you know that sin by cos is your tan theta, and that is 1 by cos half theta. It is your cos, sin by cos tan theta, and that is 1 by cos sec theta. We will write again in this way, sec theta plus tan theta minus 1 and it is your tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now, in place of 1, we put, you know that the sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So put that value, sec square minus tan square is equal to 1, in place 1. So, sec theta plus tan theta, here put sec square theta minus tan square theta. Don't disturb the denominator part. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. A square minus b square. You convert in terms of a plus b and a minus b. This value a plus b sec plus 10 sec minus 10. This is a minus b part. So here now tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay. Now take common this part, sec plus 10 outside. After taking common sec plus 10, sec theta plus tan theta, it is 1 minus, look it is minus sign, minus sec plus 10. It is sec theta minus tan theta. It is your tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now sec theta plus tan theta is in bracket. Now here 1 minus sec theta minus minus, here it is plus tan theta. So tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Look, this was tan. Tan in positive sign, tan in negative, and plus 1. Cancelling this part. So cancelling this part. So now your sec theta plus tan theta. This is not the answer. Again you rationalize this one, sec theta, tan theta, with respect to numerator. Multiply sec theta minus tan theta in numerator denominator. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. It is your sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. You know that the sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this value is 1. So sec theta minus tan theta. This is your RHS price. In this way, you try to prove more identities.